If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a slick back ponytail with a straight, um, ponytail. I also show you guys how I just applied this clip-on, not a clip-on, but a how to apply a braid basically to a frontal to give yourself um, versatile look, I should say. But I was asked in the comment section to do this video. I hope I achieved it to the best I could and that you like it. I had to do this video a little bit different because, as if you do not know, my hair is short and it's going back, so I don't have that hang time yet to achieve it with my natural hair. So thank God for hair. I have a frontal wig that I had some braiding hair for that I also wanted to do this look for. So I was like, well, if the slick back ponytail doesn't look right, I can attach this braid and it'll work itself out. But definitely, guys, I don't want to hold you anymore. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is apply the frontal. As you guys know, as I said in the beginning, my hair is still growing back, so I don't have enough hair to use my own hair. So I did have to apply a frontal to use as my base. So we're going to use the glueless method, which is my Got to Breathe free spray and my Got to Breathe gel, and I mix those two together and that helps hold down my unit. So guys, what initially started this video was I got a comment in my comment section that wanted me to do a slick back ponytail look with a lot of hairspray, and so I feel like they probably wanted me to use a lot of hairspray in the ponytail, but I tried to use as much hairspray as I could, so I hope I got as close to what you wanted as possible, guys. But throughout this video, I'm using I use the Got to Be Free spray, and then I alternate and go into the Got to Be Freeze. So I mean, not the Got to Be, Lord, y'all, sorry. I'm going to go in and use the Aussie Freeze Hold. I tried to use as much as I could. Yeah, I really did try to use a lot of hairspray. But it was like really like hard for me. I know that sounds crazy, but I just don't normally put a lot of products on my hair in general, like my wigs, especially my frontals. And so I was just trying to find the best way to incorporate it as well as not make my nerves go bad go bad. But I really tried, but this was my attempt. I feel like the look would have came out much better if I only used a frontal and slicked my actual hair back. I've seen several videos where stylists have achieved that look with just a frontal and the hair pulled back in a ponytail, which I think is a really cute look and it's very sleek. But I think for this look, I only had wigs that were already pre-made, so we did what we did to get the looks we needed. So just continue to watch the video, guys, and see how I achieved the look. And here is where I believe I probably should have incorporated hairspray onto the ponytail to try to make sure that it stayed straight and slick as possible. It's like you don't realize what you should have did until you actually like review or see it to see what you should have did. And these are one of those ones was like I should have applied some hairspray to the ponytail as I was doing it. But I will learn and get better as time progresses, guys. So charge it to my head and not my heart. All right, so this is how my ponytail looked after the final attempt. Next, after this, I'm going to ball up my ponytail, braid my braiding hair into a braid, keep the rubber band attached to the braid, and I'm going to wrap the rubber band around the back ponytail and pin it to cover the ball. And that will be how I attach my braid to my ponytail.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have and made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see you guys in the next